Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I'm going to hit you here again with another pro tip. So this pro tip is about sharpening your hardy tools or any of your hot cutting tools that are going to be engaging hot steel. So I like for my hardy tools to take and be fairly sharp, but I like to put, this is counterintuitive, I put a 1/16 of an inch flat all the way across the edge of the tool. What this does two things. One, this stops me from constantly trying to resharpen a tool that is only going to lose its temper anyhow after a period of time. Two, it stops rollover. It stops things from just rolling over from a missed hammer blow. When you hit like this on top, it has a tendency to glance or roll like that. If you accidentally hit the tool, you'll roll over an edge and then you've got to grind it back to get that roll out, okay? If you have a 1/16 inch flat, it is a lot less prone to actually doing this. The cut is basically the same. It'll leave just a little bit extra rag than what maybe cutting perfectly to center would be, but who here is perfect? Not I and not you either. So that's kind of irrelevant. But that little bit of a flat there really does stop you from having to dress your tool so much. The only time that you'll find that you really have to dress this is if there's just an outright unwarranted hammer blow on it. You may end up putting a big flat on it while it's hot, okay? So this isn't a foolproof method, but it will help for most work. Now, that being said, the other pro tip here is I like my bevels, so on my hardy tools, I like them to be fairly narrow in cross section, and then for them to not only be narrow in this cross section, but to have more of a chisel-like tip. So that common 60-degree tip, if you will, like what you would find on a cold chisel, going down once again to that little 1/16 inch line. Not going completely to sharp, but to that 1/16 inch line. I have found that this will help it hold up a lot better over the years. I've had this particular hardy tool here, use it on the daily, pretty much every day for the last, I don't know, 6 days a week for at least the last 5 years. So, you know, with that being said, this tool is held up great, and this is just a piece of 1045. So this could definitely use to be like 1095 or maybe even a higher carbon steel than that to just be a lot more rigid and tough when it comes to this. But even with 1045, which is fairly low on the hardness scale, does just perfectly fine. So again, that's my pro tip. Put a little 1/16 inch flat, see how you like it, try it in your own shop, and let me know in the comment section how you grind your butcher tools or your hardy tools like this. So that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. As always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.